Sadie, look at her. Oh, Sadie. Hi. Sadie, hello. Hi.
Ow, 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 ow.
You want to come out, don't you? You're going to eat your feet. Oh, what's the matter? You want to get up and play with Zach? Zach, call him over.
Who? Which one?
All of them. They're all going to see Maggie over here. Ollie. That's Dylan, actually. I got to start calling her Dylan. What's the matter? Blake is really playful.
Look at him.
He's the one making that noise, isn't he?
Yeah.
Cody's gonna love you, Blake.
Yeah, that's right here.
It's a puppy palooza.
Oh, God.
Go get him, Max.
Okay, that's my here for it.
Luke's jumping on top of Max. Here's Blake.
Doing a little
Hi,
time?
cutie.
Oh, never mind. My boy. They're all either behind me.
Oh, look at them underneath there. Here, man.
Ow.
Are you chewing on Zach's toes?
They all chew on my toes.
I know. Sadie, come here, honey. Come here, Sadie. He's a good girl.
Oh.
They found the wires. There's Sadie. Hi, cutie.
Boop, boop, boop.
Are you wrestling with Blake? Huh? Are you wrestling with Blake?
Oh. Okay. Ow.
Never mind, I'll go on to Zach's toes instead. You don't have to let her chew your toes. She's so happy though. Look at that waggy tail. Oh yes, it's peachy toes. Look at them underneath. Dylan, come here. Hi.
I love the way that they jump when they...
I know. They're so cute. You playing with your sister? Huh?
that again?
That's Lorelei, isn't it?
That's nice. Oh yes, there we go. Got them all.
If Maggie comes in, they're all gonna go running over to her to eat.
Oh, 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 oh.
They like going under that table. Oh, somebody's going to escape.
Let's see, let's see.
Yeah. They're gonna figure it out, how to go underneath Ellie's, look at her. Dylan. I gotta get in the habit of saying Dylan.
Oh, fine, oops.
Okay, that's enough.
Water.